Today Sony have launched a brand new lens, and it's this, the FE 35mm f1.4 G Master lens. I'm lucky enough to have it for just a few hours on the front of an A7R III to see just what it can do. Now, I'll be looking for lovely quality from this. G Masters are known for their beautiful optics, and inside we have two XA, or extreme aspherical elements. Now, these are shaved and polished down to just 0.01 microns. And of course, I know all the science, but I don't want to bore you with it. That basically means that this can generate sharpness across the entirety of the image, edge to edge. To test that, I took a picture of some pretty boring brickwork on my fireplace, but it was a really good way to show off just how sharp this is, corner to corner, edge to edge, and in the middle too. We also have an ED, or extra low dispersion element, to help reduce chromatic aberration and purple fringing, as well as Sony's Nano AR coating too, which helps to reduce ghosting and flaring, so that you get the best optical quality possible from this lens. Now, I haven't had the best shooting conditions with this. I've got it for literally a few hours, so I tried to make the most of my Christmas lights in the lounge because it is currently chucking it down, and then I decided to make my way into Brighton, where I knew there'd be Christmas lights up, could maybe get some reflections, but I waited for it to get dark so I could make the most of that f1.4 aperture. So here are a few images that I managed to get in Brighton. As you'd expect from a G Master lens, this 35mm is weather sealed, so you can take it out into harsh, tough environments and it won't have any problems, which is a good job with the weather we've got today. It's also got an aperture ring on the body there, and we've got a click on or click off switch. Now, I love an aperture ring. Personally, I like the click on, but if you want to have it nice and smooth, you just click that switch and you can get a nice smooth aperture ring instead. Here we have an AF to MF switch, again really, really handy, especially if you like working with your eye to the viewfinder, you don't have to go through camera settings. And we have a custom function button. The front element of this 35mm is also treated with a fluorine coating. So things like bits of water, droplets of water, oil from fingerprints, bits of dirt, they won't stick to the front of that lens. So it's a much nicer shooting experience. Although I've only had the 35mm for a really short amount of time and it's been pretty rubbish conditions for shooting, I've actually really liked it. It feels nice and balanced on the front of a camera. I love that the resolving power of those G Master optics allow it to make the most of something like an A7R III or even an A7R IV. You get that premium optical quality throughout, which is just lovely. Now, if you want to find out more about this 35mm, you can of course go onto our website. There's loads of information on our store page. I'll pop a link in the description, or you can click just up there. Or if you've still got some questions, you can give us a call, send us an email, or put a comment here. We'll try our best to get back to you with all the information that you could need. Now, we do lots of these type of videos. We do tech reviews, we talk about techniques. So if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. But for now, a big thank you for watching.